If you've been thinking about moving to the Tampa Bay area, whether it's Tampa or one of the surrounding suburbs, stick around. We got some really good information for you, and you're going to want to hear it.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to the Tampa Bay area. For those of you that have been following our channel for a while and you've been wondering where's all the new updates, what's going on with the Diaz Group, today we're going to get personal and you're going to find out why.
For those of you that are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. You found the channel that's going to give you home tours, give you advice on the overall process, and going to give you things to do in the Tampa Bay area and surrounding suburbs.
So today we are coming from our home in the Carrollwood area of Tampa Bay. And as you can see right behind us, our home is a little singed looking. We had the unfortunate pleasure of going through a home fire about 7 or 8 weeks ago, and because of that, it really enlightened and opened our eyes about a lot of things that no one really thinks about. So in today's video, we want to cover some thoughts that we had through this process so we can help you make educated decisions throughout the home buying process. So when we came to the Carrollwood area about 7-8 years ago, we found what we thought was our humble abode, and we have been putting sweat and tears into this house, making it perfect for our unique situation. Several years ago, we added an in-law suite, and I know a lot of people that have been shopping with me and talking about my mom moving in with us. We were able to build an in-law suite a few years ago, which is this beautiful area right behind me with the flowers. And I'm gonna have to say, thank God she was with us, because she truly was the one that alerted us to what was happening that evening. So earlier in the day, around 6:30 in the evening, we were making pizzas on the green egg. And about 6.5 hours later, at 1 in the morning, our house was engulfed in flames. So it has been quite a whirlwind of a ride, and I'll probably start crying right now. So I'm going to bring in my husband, Andre, to go over some of the events.
So when purchasing a home, we have so many kinds. We've sold over 400, maybe 500 homes by now. When you're purchasing a home, many times you're just going through the process and you speak to an insurance agent and you're just trying to get that homeowner's insurance coverage that the bank requires. But I really, really implore you to sit down with your insurance agent and go over each section of your insurance policy. First, I start with the dwelling. The dwelling is the structure, right? What is your home worth and what would it cost to rebuild that home? Do you have enough insurance to rebuild that home? So if you've done any significant changes, like an in-law suite, like anything like that, make sure you get a hold of your agent. Say, hey, I've made this big change to my home and I need to up my policy because we started off way too low, right? You want to make sure that if you have any unforeseen events like we had here, that you are 100% covered. The next thing you want to look at is other structures. We don't have any other structures. Everything's attached to the home. But if you had an additional dwelling unit, some kind of storage in the back, you want to make sure, is that covered? How much is it covered for? How much would it cost you to replace it? Are you sufficiently covered with your insurance policy? Then you have personal property. As you can see, the TV on the wall that was there, Debbie's purses, watches, you name it, clothing, a bunch of personal property inside the home, your couches, your table. Make sure you are covered. If you had to repurchase all those items, you have sufficient coverage. So personal property, guys, sit down with your agent, make sure your personal property is adequately covered. Next one is loss of use. So now, where are you going to live while you repair that home? If you're going to repair that home, where are you going to live? How long are you going to have to live there while you make those repairs? So do you need to get an Airbnb? Do you need to do a 6-month rent? Whatever it may be, make sure you're covered because it's going to cost you some money. The next item you want to talk to your agent about is personal liability. What happens if that fire spreads and catches your neighbor's house on fire? What happens if your neighbor's car is close to you? What happens if somebody tripped and fell trying to run out of the house, make sure you are properly covered for those liabilities.
So if you've been wondering where we are, that is what has been going on in our life. So make sure you keep watching our channel, because we finally got back to a place where we are now putting out content on a weekly basis. So if you've been missing us, just stick around, hang on, and give us a little bit of time.
If you're looking to buy in the Tampa Bay area, one of the surrounding suburbs, make sure you reach out to us. You can give us a call, send us a text. We can set up a Zoom. We'd love to speak of our experiences with you and help you throughout the home buying process.
But most of all, we would love to help you make that smooth move to the Tampa Bay area. So again, make sure you like, subscribe, watch our channel, and pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, because we would love to see you
Around town.
Bye now.